So you want to be checking out these guys, Hair Club Live, real raw, just exciting edge, and people who are just started out in their career, just getting the chance to be on stage for the first time, they're loving it. We took cable ties and we tied maybe like 200-300 of them all the way around, like the profile of the head, onto 2 really tight scalp braids. The rest of the hair was like gelled down with a Schwarzkopf product. There was quite a few failed attempts, but if you're going to do something like this, I think you have to be prepared to fail at it a few times. So the end result, you'll see it in the video. Strong, punchy, and visual. So check it out, let me know what you think.